Hello everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part for chapter 8. Today we are going to discuss on how to put your PHP code inside the text editor, which is Sublime Text. I'm going to show you how to do programming with PHP. We are going to start with simple PHP command, which is echo, and then slowly we are going to move a much more difficult, which is array. So make sure that you are ready with your computer and all the gears, all the tools that you need to do the programming is ready. I'm talking about Sublime Text, Apache Web Server, and etc. So without further ado, let's do programming. Bye bye.
For this part, I'm going to show you how to type your PHP syntax inside Sublime Text. For your information, PHP syntax must start with the symbol like this. We are going to use this symbol in Sublime Text, and then we are going to start typing some PHP syntax so that we can see what's going to happen inside the web browser. Now open your Sublime Text like this. For this tutorial, I've already created chapter 8, which is the folder that I created inside the htdocs, something like this. You can open htdocs in your XAMPP. htdocs, I've created the folder chapter 8. For this chapter, I'm going to type all my PHP syntax inside this folder. In Sublime Text, I'm going to open it something like this. So folder for chapter 8. Now I'm going to start typing the PHP syntax. First of all, I want to save this file first as the index file. So I'm going to file, save this file as the index.php inside my htdocs, and I want to make sure that my file type is PHP, and then I click save. Now the index file is ready for me. Next, I'm going to start typing the HTML and the PHP syntax inside this file. I'm going to use the symbol first, HTML5. Okay, I'm going to delete this one first. Don't forget to delete the symbol. And then inside the body of the HTML, I'm going to start typing my simple HTML text and follow up with the PHP code. So I'm going to use H1 first. Okay, and then tab. For this one, I'm going to type this is PHP code. Next, I'm going to insert my PHP syntax. Then I use this one, PHP, and tab. Okay, don't use this one. Delete that symbol first. Then over here, I'm going to type the PHP syntax. I'm going to start with simple PHP syntax, which is echo. So ECHO. Okay, you find echo and then just tab, and then inside the string you can type anything that you want. Let's say I'm going to start my first PHP syntax to display. Okay, so let's say this is my syntax for the PHP. So I'm going to save this file first. File, save. Next, I'm going to open my XAMPP control panel, this one. So I'll just double click XAMPP control over here and make sure the Apache service is running. Okay, and then I click the admin button. So I'm going to get the dashboard. So I don't want the dashboard, I want it to become chapter 8. Okay, and then since this is the index file, so I don't have to type anything at the back. just click enter, and this is my code for the PHP syntax. That's all. Let's look at the comments. For your PowerPoint slide, you can open slide 12. This is about the comments. 3 types of comment that you can make in PHP. First one, the single comment, is by using this symbol. Second one is by using hash symbol. And you have a block or multi-line comment, you can use this one. I'm going to show you how to use comment in Sublime Text. We are going to use comment in PHP file. The first one is by using single line comment, by using \2 times, and you can type whatever that you want in the comment. Let's say for this one, I want to type my code for PHP. And then if you want to use block or multi-line comment, you have to use this symbol, the \, plus the star. \, and star. However, when you apply it, all things will become comment. So you have to use the opposite of that comment, which is the star and the \, so that you are going to get back all the codes back. But however, this is not supposed to be a comment. Okay, if you look at this line, so echo is actually the real PHP syntax, so I don't want the comment to be here, so I just Ctrl X and paste it over here. So over here you can type whatever comment that you want to create in your PHP file. Let's say later on you want to have something like a comment where based on the comment you know what you are doing for that particular PHP code, so you can create a multi-line comment like this, or you can create a single line comment like this. Next, I'm going to show you how to use echo to print whatever that you want in your PHP. The first echo is something like this, my first PHP syntax to display. Next, let's say you want to create another echo where you want to display another text. So what you need to do is that just type echo, okay, and that tab. Let's say this time you want to have the second line for your PHP. My first syntax, then you want to write I like PHP so much, and then the third line you want to type echo again, and this one you want to say that I am very interested to learn PHP, and you save the file. We have already typed new echo line in the PHP file, and now we are going to see what happened with our browser for the statement that we already written in the file. So let's refresh in the browser. You find out that this is the line that you have inserted earlier. Okay, so this one, which is appear to be a single line, and you don't want this to happen. So what you need to do is that you can insert your HTML text in your PHP so that it will become multi-line. So for this one, you can refer to slide 15 in my PowerPoint slide, this one. Okay, so we're going to go back to the Sublime Text and I'm going to insert the break over here. So we can use the symbol and break, BR, and insert the second break in the second line, BR also. Okay, and then click Ctrl S to save your file, and then let's look at our browser again. So what happened? You find out that the PHP has already changed the way the display for the statement. So you see at this moment everything seems to be in multi-line. If you want it to become better, you can insert another HTML tag into the echo statement so that you can change the way the line is being displayed in your browser. For instance, For this one, I want it to become a little bit bigger, so I can insert h2 tag inside my echo statement. This one \h2. Meanwhile, the third one, I want it to become h3, so I can insert h3, and then at the end also I can insert \h3. Let's check the statement. Is it okay? So break h2, h2, h3, and h3. Everything fine. And Ctrl S to save your file. Go back to your browser and just refresh. Now you can see that the HTML text has already formatted. All text supposed to be displayed in your browser.